Yeah, y'all. Yeah, y'all.
Bye, come now. Come close. She thought you have a... Welcome to my Coonoor vlog. If there's lipstick on my teeth, I'm sorry. That's been happening all morning. It's my birthday today. We actually reached Coonoor yesterday, but I took the day off vlogging. We're staying in this gorgeous 100-year-old house. It's a homestay on Airbnb, so we're staying like in a room. It's so green here. What creatures have we seen till now? Can you tell them, Mum?
Snake,
Snake.
monkey, dog.
There's a monkey. This is like right there. There's a monkey. Yeah, dog, cats.
Yeah.
And please come say hi, Mama.
Hi.
Mama is a little grouchy because I've been delaying lunch too much. But now we're walking to lunch, so it should be good. The dog doesn't like us. Oh my,
He likes it. It scratches.
so sweet, so soft. Oh, he started purring.
You're giving him love, no? Looking at that man. You are. You're mofty softy. Mofty softy.
So just after we left our room, we saw a beautiful orange cat sitting by some flowers so peacefully, and I thought the cat would run away when we went nearby, but he let us touch him so much, and I felt so happy and at peace. I felt like that was my birthday gift from nature or whatever. And then we saw this really cute French restaurant nearby, what looked like nearby. Then we realized it's 3 kilometers away and we couldn't really get a rickshaw, so we improvised, and we also walked a little bit. We had our doubts along the way that maybe the restaurant is shut or doesn't exist, and we'd walked a lot and there are no rickshaws nearby. The cab apps don't work, so I was feeling a bit worried, but we found it, and it was featured in a Bollywood film called Kapoor and Sons apparently. Yeah, we just placed our order. They're playing really good music. They're playing Eagles. We know all of the songs, so I'm feeling pretty good. We're back at Coonoor in our little homestay. I don't think we'll be leaving again today, and I've shown you guys a little bit of the outside, so I know y'all are going to ask me to show the inside and stuff, but the host, the owner of the home, has kindly asked me not to show anything because she's a really private person, so I can show you guys the garden and our room and stuff, but I won't be showing you the rest of the house. But suffice to say, it's really gorgeous, and it feels very special that on Airbnb you actually get to book it and you get access to like beautiful old homes like these with so much history and so much culture. We've had such great times talking to the host. We're back at what has pretty much become our favorite bench in the garden. There are a few actually, but this one's just super cozy and nice, and there's greenery all around us, and we're snacking on some local samosas, which don't really look like samosas, but they're tasty. They're good. Look where I am, guys, and look who's here. Hi. Just reached back. Happy to be back. But tomorrow, we go back home. Just got back to Coonoor from Delhi. I was in Delhi for a day. Look who I have. Oh, he's fighting with me. No, I'll manage him. He's my new friend. He really wants to go because the house has 3 cats. We're feeding them right now, and they are not being very decent. They're not sharing. It's our last evening in Coonoor, and we really wanted to make the most of it by going out at least somewhere. And you can't wait to go out really late here because it's slightly rural, so you need to go out when there's daylight. But we fell asleep. It's now a little past 4 p.m. and we are going to this nearby area called Bedford. We'll probably be taking a bus, and it's a decent shopping area apparently. So yeah, let's see what's there over there, what's available. I hope it's good. We met our friend again, guys. So we came to this new supermarket called Nilgiris in Bedford, and it's really swanky and stylish because it's new, but we hardly got anything, and we just picked up like 3 or 4 small things. So it's good that we came, but it wasn't that fruitful. And now we saw a place here, and it's a tea and boutique, so we thought we'll go in and have some tea, but turns out it's just a gift shop and they don't serve any tea or anything like that. So I'm feeling very tired, sitting on steps like an urchin, but mom has called a rickshaw, so that's how we'll be going back. So it's time to say goodbye to this place. I'm definitely a little bit sad about it. I didn't manage to go to the tea factory again. Like, I went on the first day, but I was not vlogging then. I said let me take a break, and I thought I'll go again. I didn't manage it, and I'm sorry you guys, but it's the same tea factory that has been there in both of my previous Coonoor vlogs, I think. Or yeah, both of my previous Coonoor vlogs. So nothing much has changed. Now I'm vlogging from the bathroom, and this is a gorgeous bathroom. It's very Victorian and beautiful. This was a really very memorable trip. This is the kind of homestay experience that I'll remember for years and years and years and years, because it was very unique. That's all I can say. But yeah, time to leave now.